This is the definitive guide to resolving ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 motherboard failures and power issues. After personally confronting these critical malfunctions and meticulously testing numerous approaches, I've identified several effective methods which I will now share. Method 1 addresses the core power delivery circuit by performing a hard reset, disconnecting external and internal power sources, and then discharging residual energy through the power button forces is a complete system reinitialization, clearing any volatile memory states that might be causing erroneous power behavior. Method 2 focuses on the system's foundational firmware by accessing and resetting the BIOS defaults. This action reverts all configuration settings to their factory state, often resolving conflicts or misconfigurations that prevent proper power management or system initialization. Method 3 targets software and induced power issues through safe mode by temporarily disabling non-essential drivers and services. We can isolate whether a recently installed or corrupted driver is interfering with the motherboard's power management, allowing for its removal and subsequent reinstallation of stable drivers. Method 4 involves a detailed physical inspection and reseating of critical internal components. Ensuring the RAM modules are firmly seated and the CMOS battery has sufficient charge are fundamental steps, as loose connections or a dead CMOS battery can lead to unpredictable motherboard behavior and power interruptions, while cleaning internal dust ensures optimal thermal performance and prevents overheating-related shutdowns.